Haribol Golokians. I am Surabhi from Jakarta, and today I am going to tell you about my Krishna conscious journey. मेरी कृष्णा कॉन्शियस जर्नी एक चैलेंज टू द लॉर्ड से शुरू हुई थी. मेरे हस्बैंड निखिल के साथ रेगुलरली गीता पढ़ते थे और मेरे मन में सवाल आता था कि इज़ देयर अ गॉड. सो आई चैलेंज्ड द वेरी एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ गॉड. And one day morning I said to God that show me some miracle if you exist. And the same evening I got late from my clinic. So it was pretty dark when I was driving. And हमारे घर के पास एक राउंड अबाउट है, वहाँ पे यूजली लाइट रहती है. उस दिन लाइट नहीं थी और मैं थोड़ा फास्ट ड्राइव कर रही थी क्योंकि उस दिन मैं लेट हो गई थी क्लिनिक से. And suddenly I didn't realize what happened and I put the brake. And after putting the brake I realized there was a person standing there, पूरे ब्लैक कपड़ों में, एक साइकिल के ऊपर बिल्कुल लॉस्ट खड़ा हुआ था. Then I could realize that Lord himself made me put that brake. Had I not put that brake, my life would have been different. And incidentally ये जब हुआ उसके 1 महीने बाद हम जकार्ता शिफ्ट होने वाले थे. And the real challenge for me began in Jakarta because being a dermatologist, I could not practice here. So this is how my journey started, and I would say Nikhil was the one who actually gave me a purpose in life, a meaning in life. So finally I started reading Bhagavad Gita with Nikhil, and he spent a lot of time with me. Selflessly he used to call me, spent around maybe sometimes we used to read even 6 hours together at stretch. So कृष्णा कॉन्शियसनेस के में आने के बाद क्या फ़ायदा हुआ है, मैं इसको ABCD मॉडल के थ्रू ही बताना चाहूँगी. सो पहले लेट्स स्टार्ट विद D. एक्चुअली पहले तो यही समझ नहीं आता था कि डिस्ट्रक्टिव एक्टिविटीज़ क्या हैं, but just because we are now connected to Krishna, we understand, no, this is a destructive activity. It is not needed. It's not needed to go to a movie every weekend or go out to shopping every weekend. So this is how the Krishna consciousness have helped me in actually reducing the destructive activities, which I was even not knowing that these are destructive activities. Secondly, C or career में, when I came to Jakarta, I will again thank Nikhil that how much time he spent on me to help me get out of this fear of sitting at home, being a dermatologist, not able to work out, not able to see patients. He was the only person who said give time, read Bhagavad Gita, make yourself free from anxiety and then take decision. And because of his advice, his help, I could actually take another career path, that is dermatocare. And in dermatocare also, I think Krishna conscious journey has helped me a lot from actually being very selfishly telling about skincare and about products. The journey has changed to selfless helping to the people, because I realized that each and every product that we are applying has a lot of chemicals, and they even promote cancer, they harm environment. This was the time that I tell people to how to take care of their skin, and not only skin but their body, by taking healthy green choices. So next, अगर मैं B के बारे में सोचती हूँ, family के बारे में सोचती हूँ, I think the clarity of prioritization has increased a lot, and the best thing that I can say is that my love for mother-in-law, I can now proudly say, similar to my mother. And I didn't even realize it when she went this time from Jakarta. I cried a whole day. So I think only Bhagavad Gita can give you the strength to actually love unconditionally, understand the importance of people in your life, which I never understood. And I'm able to actually bring Aryan in Krishna consciousness by being a role model, of course, and involving him in lot of other Krishna conscious activities. When it comes to A, Andruni, I think it's a complete transformation. I was a person who used to get irritated very fast. I used to have a very high graphs of happiness and then down to the sadness. After coming to Krishna consciousness, this has reduced. My graphs are actually not going up and not going down now, and the life, it's getting little smoother. I was not able to sleep until I came into Krishna consciousness. It's true, like I could know what's happening around me when I was sleeping. And now the whole process has made my mind so calm that I can sleep very easily. So I think for me, my life has transformed coming into Krishna consciousness. And आखिर मैं ये कहना चाहूँगी कि the only way out to solve all the problems of life is to turn to Krishna and ask for his support, guidance and love. Even if it is a small little problem that you're not able to solve, or if it is a big decision of life, just bow down to Krishna and ask him for his support. He will definitely tell you. He will definitely tell you through your friends, through some messages, that what is the right thing to do. Hari Bol. Jai Shri Krishna.